Buc Ee's. And this one is the largest gas station in the world, for now. And actually, they call themselves convenience stores or travel centers, not gas stations. But, I mean, look at this. This place is over 66,000 square feet of footage. Buc Ee also holds the name of the world's longest car wash in Katy, Texas, at 255 feet of conveyor. And as of this summer, this one is no longer going to be the world's largest gas station. Buc Ee's opened an even larger one in Tennessee, and they're planning on opening an even bigger one in Texas and Florida. We'll see which one wins that race. Just make sure that you take a picture with one of the beavers outside, and inside you'll have food that is hot and fresh, cooked every day, 24 hours a day. Breakfast is served from 4 to 11 a.m., and there's so much shopping and things to eat and bathrooms, a lot of bathrooms. Award-winning, by the way. There is someone in there cleaning all the time. There's no way you'll get bored. There's so much parking, I don't think you ever need to worry about it getting full. But Buc Ee's does not allow overnight parking, and no 18-wheelers are allowed either. And actually, there isn't even seating inside. They want you to get in and get out. Once you've eaten all you can eat at Buc Ee's, ride over to Dallas to the colorful motorcycle shop and bar.